Board, Mr. Gupta, Mr. Mishra, former members of the Railway Board, senior railway officers, serving and retired, fellow delegates, and distinguished guests. I am grateful to IPWE who gave me an opportunity to present today's paper in this technical seminar and thus give me an opportunity to meet you all. I am really feel privileged, more so when I am a super senior citizen, to have this great opportunity. The subject of my paper is optimization of monitoring technology for better track maintenance of Indian Railways based on global railway experience. Synopsis or abstract. Presently on Indian Railways, track monitoring is being done mostly through manual, visual methods like trolley inspection, etc. The recent developments worldwide provide several new opportunities for cost-effective and precision monitoring of assets, particularly track. And an attempt has been made to critically examine various such methods being used on modern railways like German railways, etc., and suggest action plan to optimize monitoring technology for better maintenance of track of Indian railways based on global railway experience. Existing methods, as you all know, they are mostly manual methods. Some modern monitoring devices have been put on, but they are very few and their frequency limited. Modern track monitoring devices developed on modern railways. Large number of devices have been developed on modern railways, and I have tried to pick up a few which are very particular. Now, one is the track recording car. Delhi dedicated freight corridor already adopted. These recording cars mostly use track geometry, longitudinal level, cross level, alignment, gauge, and twist. These cars can scan the entire track several times a year. They have facility that you can have more optional arrangements. In fact, multi-function track recording car is the name. This multi-function track recording car basic facility of measuring track geometry as well as optional measuring system, which can also take measurements of other parts of track machines. In the standard measuring devices, mostly track geometry done, and on the optional one, ultrasonic rail fire detection, rail profile, video monitoring. In fact, Delhi Corridor has exactly employed one of these machines like that. Which is well suitable for Indian Railways. Next is very important, track monitoring devices mounted on regularly running trains. Recent trend is to deploy on commercially operated trains measuring devices, increasing the frequency of measurements. Many of world railways have used that. In case of Japanese railway, you can see in the high-speed 800-speed trains, they put this accelerometer and gyroscope fitted, which measure the track quality. In German railways also, they have put on trains, put on intercity express with acceleration and rotation gyroscope sensors mounted axle box, which monitor data of vertical and horizontal alignment. They are very effective, and they can be independently, they can be put on the fast train and they can monitor the track data, which is very good. I think Indian Railways should consider purchasing these machines in a big way. Yes. Virtual walk. Instead of the use of track components specializing imaging systems always allows railways to automatically collect continuous images of roadbed into moving action. They are synchronizing images from multiple inspection camera, and you can do the work just like keyman does do today. Except that keyman possibly also does physical work of tightening keys and things like that, which can be done subsequently. But it can surely give missing fittings and missing things, etc. Different railways have developed innovative devices, equipment for track alignment and similar track parameters, which can be very effective. In case of track alignment, the system I think are also adopted by dedicated freight corridor. They are the systems which are put in. The work is very fast, very accurate, and you can possibly correct those things. In this sketch, you can see track alignment data used by amber tamping, laser mapping, and image notebook. These are useful in locations where alignment is a problem on the bad soil, etc. Unmanned inspection trolley. Equipped with near infrared video and photographing capabilities, the railway rail-mounted unmanned inspection trolley is work remotely from portable base. Not suitable much for Indian Railway, but many countries have adopted this, particularly where the shortage of manpower. It can also be adopted to areas which are more vulnerable to sabotage and some other big problems. Computer vision-based method of fault detection of railway track, crack detection of railway track using modern technology. Short of time, I am not able to cover that. Rail stress monitoring system. On Indian Railways, as you know, in winter, there is a large number of fractures which take place. In fact, many of the accidents because of these rail fractures. Similarly, in summer, there is a tendency of buckling. There is no method by which you know which area is likely to do. If you can put these rail sensors, these sensors are put, they are designed to measure the longitudinal rail strain and compute the corresponding stress levels. When they are more than exceeding the limits, then the things take place either in winter a crack or in summer buckling. They can be installed at vulnerable locations where the excessive stresses may be in winter or maybe in summer. Use of drones for track monitoring. In fact, Member Engineering has got in his keynote address that they were using drones at some areas. They are unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, for predictive maintenance of railway track. Mr. Chairman, sir, I hope you are aware that the author happens to be a super senior citizen with 86 years of age. And it deserves special consideration for that. So, unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, for predictive maintenance of railway track. These drones are about meter-wide drones. Each can fly up to 80 minutes at a speed of 33 km per hour and can go up to 1 or 2 kilometers. They are very effective, good for monitoring areas which are vulnerable to sabotage, lapses, slips, etc. Used for surveillance, monitoring and mapping work. Turnout and crossing monitoring system. Throughout the world, mechanical methods are being used on world railways to assess the failure of turnout. Performance of such, for example, in Austria, they use the method by name Roadmaster. In the Roadmaster system, performance of switch machines and turnouts is measured at every moment, and specialist arrangements are made to warn when unusual, normal operating circumstances are exceeded, and they get bailed out of it. In case of German railway system is still built better. They use what is called a dyna, one or more tri-motors are attached to these intelligent switches. When they set the switch in motion, electricity flows. In the signal box, sensors record the power consumption and transmit the data to Dyna. In Dyna, this program detects any deviation. Dyna will sound alarm. Dyna, just like works like ECG, which gives the health of, in case of ECG, it gives the health of the heart. In case of this turnout, it gives the health of the turnout. And which is very good. I think with large number of accidents taking place on points and crossing, the railway ministry should consider purchasing of some method like Dyna, etc. Recommendations. First is multi-function track regarding car. Indian Railways should purchase some multi-function track regarding car which will measure not only the track geometry but other optional arrangements like ultrasonic rail production, track monitoring system for measurement of track and other fittings and things like that. Number 2, track measuring devices इसमें करना है इसमें ये ठीक है ना ये थोड़ा आगे बात है एक इसमें करना है इसमें ये ना इसमें इसमें नहीं से इसे track measuring devices mounted on high-speed trains. Indian Railways can consider putting these track measuring devices, accelerometer, gyroscope, etc. on fast trains with monitor data of vertical and horizontal alignment, etc. They will be very good. You can record almost daily or alternate day and then see the condition of a track. They're very good for monitoring of track. The rail stress monitoring system, as I told you, that there are big problems of rail fractures as well buckling, and Indian Railways should consider rail stress monitoring system in areas which are more vulnerable. Points and crossing measuring system, as already indicated, that points and crossing measuring system we should purchase just like Dyna of German Railways. They're very good to detect what is the final condition of health of the points and crossing and good for things. Similarly, track alignment data, large number of areas are such where we have got problems of alignment, particularly due to bad soil. Indian Railways should consider this track alignment data things at various places. Use of drones. For monitoring of vulnerable areas which are susceptible to damage to track and component, Indian Railways should purchase some drones like German Railways. I am grateful to all the permanent way engineers which are available here for patronizing my books in a big way. Indian Railway book was written in 1973 to face the challenge of Rajdhani. Today, 2017, 44 years, the book has been revised 20 times and more than 1 lakh books are in circulation. Similarly, recently we returned Railway Works Engineering and seeing the present trend, 2-3 chapters have been added to construction project management. Then other important book is Indian Rail Bus Parithay. Technology of railways have advanced to such an extent that field persons, particularly gangmen, keymen or even PO Mr. require when we should maintain the track, when we should do dispatching, etc. Rail Bus Parithay is very good for that. So all these books are demonstrated outside. I request you to continue allowing me this border booster so that I can see the golden jubilee of the Indian Railway track, which comes in 2023. After I'm 86, another 4 years. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. We want to eliminate the manual inspections, key man patrolling, post trolley inspection. So in that direction we have to go, and this paper by Mr. MM Agarwal, the teacher of all the railway engineers in Indian Railways, this paper aptly supplemented the paper by